Hey guys, I want to go over a quick video on how to do programming. So this is how I always set up a program, or at least 90% of how I do all my workouts. So basically the way you start is you draw a little dude and you draw a spectrum. All right, so here we have upper body push. This is like your push-up, your chest press, your overhead press. You have upper body pull. This is your row, 3-point row, TRX row, bent over flies, yada, yada, yada. You have your lower body pull. This is any type of hinging motion, so your deadlift, kettlebell swing, that type of thing. And then you have your lower body push. And this is your squat, your lunge, split squats, that sort of thing. So whenever I'm making a workout, I want to try to balance everything out. So if I do an upper body push, I want to make sure there's an upper body pull. If I do a lower body push, I want to make sure there's a lower body pull. Now you don't have to do all of it in the same workout. Some people like to do split workouts where you do one like upper body one day, lower body one day, or that sort of thing. I personally like to do whole body in a workout. So this is how I always make sure that my workouts are balanced. So let's start with a lower body push. So that's your squat. So squat is my lower body push. So I can kind of put a little X through that. So let's balance that out with an upper body pull. So an upper body pull would be, let's say, TRX row. So we got those two, all right? And then usually that third thing in a circuit that I like to do is some type of core stability. That's like a plank or something, dead bug, or rotational. Something that's kind of incorporating the whole body. So that's your chop, your lift, med ball toss, that sort of thing. So you got a nice little workout right there. And then you want to balance it out. So you want to make sure there's an upper body push and a lower body pull. So let's get that lower body pull in there. So B1 would be, let's say, deadlift. Could be a kettlebell deadlift. Then B2, we want to balance it out with that upper body push. So we got our push-up. And then B3 is going to be that core stability or rotational. So for here, let's say plank. And then for here, since we are doing something that's, just core stability, let's add something that's rotational. So we could do a cable, let's do a cable chop. Now, why did I just do a cable chop here as opposed to a cable lift? Well, because I already had an upper body pushing exercise. So if I did a cable lift, that would be another type of pushing exercise. It's rotational with the push. So if you kind of see how this balances out. So boom and boom. Look at that. I just got a workout just like that. You can make so many workouts like this. Instead of doing squat, row, plank, it could be lunge, 3-point row, side plank, kettlebell swing, overhead press with a farmer's carry, something along that line. But either way, you can kind of see how if you do this sort of thing, you can get the meat and potatoes of a workout and make sure that everything is actually balanced out, that we're not having any imbalances. I got this from when I was doing Strength Faction with Chris Merritt and Todd Bumgarner. And boom, I mean, you can write so many programs with this. And then of course, changing the rep range as needed from there. Low rep range, 1 to 3, you're really working on strength. Even to that 3 to 5 range. Once you go to the 8 to 12, then you're kind of working on hypertrophy, and 12 and above, you're kind of working more endurance. So, boom, I hope this helps. Let me know, and have a wonderful day.